we're here with Paul Dordal from Navtech, the company that specializes in the development of 3D educational content. Paul, can you tell us something about that?
Sure. Most people learn more effectively and better if they see it visualized, and that's what the interactive three-dimensional content applications does. We work very closely with the colleges to develop the requirements for courses, and especially those courses where students are having trouble understanding the concepts. We can take the concepts, turn it into a visual application that the teacher can have and use more effectively in the classroom. So we can take it from a big picture of a plant cell going right down to the molecular level and help students understand what the reactions are, how it works, how it actually happens, as you can see right now with the various neurons and the synapse and so on and so forth. That's what you can get out of interactive 3D. And you can actually take the student on a trip. You can bring them into the object and let them move around. You can do identification of parts, you can do labeling, evaluations, and you can turn that very quickly into the chemical reactions that are the basis for what you're seeing here.
How much does that technology cost if a college wants to adapt your technology? I know there's a variation, but what would be the scope of pricing if we would like to integrate that in our college?
It depends on the level of sophistication, the complexity of the object. Do you want animations, simulations in it, or are you just looking for identification and labeling of an interactive object? So the basic cost is around $7,500 to develop.
That's per course?
No, a fairly simple application within a course.
Okay.
So, if you divide it up into 16-week semester and you're doing something each week, it just depends on what the quality and the complexity of that object is going to be. So we've developed about 18 of these objects so far for Fayetteville Tech Community College, and the average cost of those objects is ranging about $7,500.
Per each object or for the whole package?
For the application.
For the whole package?
No, not for the whole package, for the application of an object.
All right. Thank you very much, Paul.
Okay.